Alright, basically I'm here. That's where I need to go. Moral of the story, if you're in a foreign country and you're taking a bird or a scooter, remember you need a helmet. You need a helmet. And you need to pay attention where you're going because there's lots of runaways, lots of streets you don't know. Weekend, tons of policia, lots of things going on. So yeah, be aware. You don't want to get arrested, you want to get a ticket, and you're a visitor in their country, so... Okay, now it's starting to make sense. There's a marathon. There's an entire marathon. I did notice some people running this morning, but I didn't know it was like an entire marathon.
Pues Fernando, tú me vas a dar la señal. Te estoy viendo cuando Fernando Sebastián, director de la prueba, va a ser la primera vez.
Just out and about riding, exploring, and I was just trying to go back to the hostel. And when I first left that street, I could go down it, but coming back, they did close the street down because there's a marathon. They just took off. Power to the people, let's go. Now I am on foot walking back to my hostel. My GoPro died. I knew it had 50% battery. Honestly, I don't know if my 2 other batteries are charged. I'm gonna remember to make sure that I charge them next time. But there's a friggin' Tim Hortons in Spain, Madrid. What? But there are many, I want to say hills, but there are streets that go down and there are streets that come up. So yeah, I guess you could say it's hilly. Alright, I'm about to walk in Plaza Mayor. I'm right by my hostel, and then actually I just passed the San Miguel Market. I'm going to try to get this GoPro battery. If not, I'm just gonna do it on my iPhone. Most of my shots are with my GoPro HERO10 Black, or with my iPhone. And quality? Bellissimo. It's almost 10 a.m. it's not too busy out, and honestly, it's nice without the crowd. But I anticipate very, very soon it's gonna pick up and this whole plaza is gonna be busy. I know, look at my hair. Remember when I said the Hat Hostel is right downtown? Literally, here's the Plaza Mayor, and the Hat Hostel is right here, so like less than a minute walk. And one of my landmarkers to find the hat is Five Guys. It's right on the corner, easy landmark. Plaza Mayor, Five Guys, and then the Hat, and then my window is just up there. I don't consider myself to have little legs, but I'm a very fucking fast walker. I attribute that to cheerleading. Got to get to your spot on the count, like double time, make sure you fucking get there. So I'm just a fast walker. And I do like to walk fast, I like to get places. Okay, I've arrived at the San Miguel Market. I have a 35% battery left on this battery. On the other one, 5%, 13%, so they're charging right now. Here's the San Miguel Market, Mercado de San Miguel. It's gonna be opening any minute now. There's just a few people waiting for it to open, so I'm gonna get in there, do a little look around so you guys can see all the different tapas. I did walk through here once just to check it out. I'm probably not gonna eat here right now, but maybe later or maybe even tomorrow I'll actually like sit down and try some things. Alright, the door's open.